guiding you on how you can be able to withdraw your Paws to your exchange that you like. Okay, I'll advise you use what's it called, Bybit, because there's a reward for those who withdraw to Bybit. Up to 10 to 15,000 of the token will be allocated to eligibles. Okay, so I'll be guiding you. First of all, you need to enter your Phantom wallet. Okay, make use of your Phantom wallets. Okay, so as it's loading, okay, so okay, so once it's load, you head over to your discovery here, this icon that is here, click on it. Okay, then you make sure you copy the address. Okay, you have the address already, or you scroll down, then you see under trending sites, you see Paws, then you click on it. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, okay, then you click on your dashboard. Okay, you click on dashboard here, this icon, you click on your dashboard, click on it, then you see your tokens details, check your eligibility. Okay, then you click next, you see your token to be claimed, click on claim. Okay, click on the tax, the terms and conditions. Okay, you mark it, you click on the circle to mark, then you click continue. Then it says centralized exchange. They will charge 3% of your tokens. From the tokens, they will charge 3% from the withdrawals. Okay, you charge 3% for your withdrawal. Okay, then you click on it, exchange. Okay, click on exchange. What is wrong? What is delaying? Okay, so two exchange is available now. That's what from the news we heard from Paws. Two exchange will be available, Bybit and Bitget. Okay, click on Bybit, but if you can still make your choice of Bitget. Okay, but this video is guiding you to deposit your token to Bybit. Okay, you click on Bybit. And if you have an account on Bybit already, you click yes, I do. Click OK. Then you head over to your Bybit wallet, exchange wallet. Okay, head over to your Bybit exchange wallet. Okay, I just pray to keep to their words of giving the 10 to 15,000 token. Okay, then if you want to get your wallet address from Bybit, you click on deposit. Okay, you may decide to go to assets, click on your asset, then you click on deposit, deposit crypto. Okay, are you people getting it? Okay, let's say you're on the home page, you click on this icon, assets, you click on it, then you click on this deposit icon, click on it, then you click on crypto, the last option below, deposit crypto, you click on it, then you search for Paws. Okay, search for Paws. See, it's written there, it's there already, so you click on it. So it's on Solana blockchain, just click on it. Okay, so please confirm that you are depositing Paws to this address on the Solana network. Okay, so you copy your wallet address, then you head back to your Phantom. Okay, mine is locked, so you click on deposit address, you paste it here. Okay, you paste it, you head back to get your Bybit UID. To get your Bybit UID, you head over to your home icon, Then you click on this very icon at the top here, click on it. Okay, say this is your B, that is your UID, your Bybit UID. You click on it, copied, then you head over to your Phantom wallet, then you paste it. Okay, make sure it's correct. Once you are done, you can still cross check. Okay, you can cross test to check. Okay, make sure it's correct. Then you click continue. Okay, check your data, verify the data. You will not receive token if the information entered is incorrect. Okay, you can still change it if you want to change. Then you click continue. Final step, you want to deposit so amount of Paw into your, then you click confirm. Okay, you will receive your token in your Bybit account before trading starts. As being selected Bybit, then you click finish. Okay, you can change withdrawal method if you want to change to, that is if you already choose in an exchange. And if you don't like it, you can still change back. Okay, go and do yours as quickly as possible. Thank you. As tradings will be starting on the 18th, that is the listing date on the 18th. Okay, good luck.